Most moisturizing shampoos actually make your hard water damage worse by adding conditioning agents that trap minerals in your hair shaft. What the hell is hard water damage? It means your hair becomes dull, super dry, and brittle because mineral deposits like iron, calcium, magnesium, and copper coat each hair strand and block moisture from getting in. And the worst part, these hard water minerals stick to your hair like glue. And baby, regular shampoo cannot remove them. You need chelating agents like EDTA and citric acid that act like molecular claws to grab these mineral deposits out of your hair. These ingredients work by forming a stable complex with these mineral deposits so that it's easily rinsed away from your hair. If anyone's telling you to deep condition your hair more when you have hard water damage, that's a lie. And that's backwards thinking. What you need to be doing is remove the buildup, not adding more products to it. I'm going to recommend 3 products to you, especially if you live in areas that have hard water. Starting with the more budget option is this one by Ion. The shampoo has dual chelating agents like disodium EDTA and sodium gluconate. And the conditioner has citric acid and disodium EDTA. These work synergistically to strip buildup out of your hair. Whey is a great option if you have color treated hair. These 2 ingredients will help dissolve mineral buildup, and the hydrolyzed keratin will help rebuild the strength in your hair. My favorite is this one by Malibu Wellness. It has 4 chelating powerhouses. The shampoo only contains citric acid, but the conditioner is where it's at. EDTA targets calcium and magnesium. Sodium gluconate grabs the iron and copper, while the ascorbic and citric acid finish the job by removing the rest of the minerals. So quick recap, look for EDTA, sodium gluconate, and citric acid. These are going to be your mineral fighting heroes for hard water. Check out my TikTok shop for these exact products mentioned. Like and follow if you found this video helpful. Let me know what your favorite hard water shampoos are and what you'd like me to review next.